Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Beowulf, and we're just coming down the waterway. It sounds loud. What the heck is this? Oh! Oh, I'm racing up! Oh! Holy shit! Put these cords on! Oh! He's making another pass. Well, we're gonna get him. We're gonna teach him a lesson. We'll show him what a Sea Doo does. All right, so back at another video. Let's get it going. Here we go, guys. like 100 something miles per hour. There's just like, there's no way humanly possible. You can hear it, like, I thought this is loud. Look at that thing. There's just no way you could beat something like that. There's just, it's not even possible. I thought it'd be like a kind of close race, but I knew they'd go fast. I mean, we weren't head to head. I mean, he was already going and I was trying to catch up on him. He jumped the gun, but still he would have got me miles per hour wise. That was crazy. Man, I'm telling you, I want one of those. Forget supercar, hypercar, a faster car than the Hellcat. I want one of those, an MTI one though, race boat. No freaking questions what I want to buy. No question. Well, I gotta get one of those. My God. And there's no speed limit out here. He's just busting down the waterway. Fuck. Oh, I want to buy one. It's on my list. But I think if we race up to 75 miles per hour from a dead stop, I guarantee you I would smoke it. Guaranteed. Because he has all top end. I mean, I was catching up on him, and as soon as he went faster than what this jet ski, excuse me, could go, he beat me. Man, and he doesn't look like he wants to race again. I'm like trying to catch up, and I'm obeying the laws of the no wake. Man, he's just moving. It's funny is all the times I'm out here with these cigarette boats, I never see them like, oh, that's freaking crazy. That's like strapping a Hellcat engine to this thing. It would be a rocket ship. That thing is so loud. It sounds like a freaking race car. That's crazy. That's insane. Yeah, that's something on my list to buy. My gosh, that's just crazy. Look at that thing. I thought the jet ski was fast. That is at a whole nother level speed. And I already knew some of those MTI race boats, man, they really haul butt on the water. And that's just insane. Oh. So I ran into some of my subscribers on the way heading back, and they told me that cigarette boat I was trying to race has over 2,000 horsepower. This thing got like what, maybe 350, 300 something. I guess somebody had 2,000 horsepower, and that thing does 115 miles per hour. That's like insane. But I tell you, if it was from a dead stop to 75, I would smoke him like no other. That's the race it should have been. I was trying to catch up to the guy, but he like kind of like parked it underneath to be going swimming. Why are all these bubbles? This is like probably the scariest spot I don't like coming to, but I like to talk videos here. It's like, see over there, there's like that mast that's like a sunken sailboat. It's kind of creepy coming over here, and like somebody's gonna jump out and eat me. But anyways, let's get this video going. Man, woo! I've been waiting to see a cigarette boat on the water, and I finally see one. Man, there's just no way I could have beat him. 2,000 horsepower, 115 miles per hour. Man, I thought 75 I'm cooking, man, for freaking 115. Woo! Riva Racing, man. What can we do to make this thing beat that cigarette boat? Man, 115 miles per hour. I don't even know what can be done to this thing to make it run that. Like, reliable. Crap. That's crazy. And I'll tell you, this is what's creepy right here. Look at this thing. See, this is like a sailboat. Yeah. Gives me the heebie-jeebies coming by. Reminds me like someone out of Jaws. Don't like it. Let's get it going before the sunset and the alligators come out. Maybe a bull shark or two, who knows? Let's get going. Oh shoot, man, this boat doesn't even see me hiding over here. That's why this is the best spot to be doing this. Man, look how fast they're coming through. They don't even see I'm here. My God. Yeah, I got you, camera. You almost hit me. You're not even paying attention.
God, you don't know that.
Alright guys and gals, this looks like the end of the video. It's almost dark. I'd rather do the outro before it's pitch black. Don't tell me again it's one of these bugs coming up on me. I saw it zimming around. Alright, so like this end is, man, why did I see waves like something just popped down like an alligator? I see it all the time. I don't see what it is. I see waves, and I don't physically see anything to get it, and it's a big wave, whatever. Alright, so it's the end of the video. Whoa! You guys haven't hit that subscribe button, smash it, go whoop! Subscribe, hit on the notifications to my existing subscribers. Woo! Big things going on. I know that we're coming out. Well, first off, I keep on saying IamBeowulf.com. It's going to be launching soon. It will be launching very, very soon. We'll be selling a couple new products on there. Sunglasses that say I Am Beowulf on the side. That's coming out. We're working on some t-shirts, posters, and I'm trying to work on some other stuff too. But I know that's all in the works. I just got to get the time to get the ball rolling. But man, stuff's going to be happening really soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to me, or no, that's not subscribe, follow. YouTube subscribe, Instagram's follow. So if you guys haven't followed me yet on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow. It's IAM_Beowulf. If that's the best way to reach you, you guys want to like chit chat once in a while, you know, like hit me up on it. We can talk on that for a short period of time. Do that. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're building this big. Let's let everybody know who I Am Beowulf is. And let's have big routes, and jet ski meetups, and all that. Woo! But I should get in before it gets dark because you can't ride this when it gets dark out because there's no lights, even though it's like bright yellow. But it's the end of the video, guys. Peace out.